Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to take multiple snaps at once on Snapchat. Taking multiple snaps in one go makes it easier to capture a series of moments without stopping to take each photo individually. So, let's get started on how to take multiple snaps at once on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the arrow facing downward in the right side of your screen. A menu will pop up with several options. Tap on the multi-snap option to enable the feature. With the multi-snap feature activated, you can now take several snaps in quick succession. Just tap the capture button to start taking multiple photos. After you have taken all your snaps, you will be able to review them. Just tap on the edit and send option. Once you are happy with them, you can send them all at once to your friends or upload them to your story. And this is how you can take multiple snaps at once on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.